So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are reviewing a brand new custom ROM. Now this is a Cherish OS Android 14, and in this video, just like any other video, we will cover everything including battery backup, performance, thermal throttling, and the security tests and all that. Now starting with the battery backup in this ROM, as you can see, there is like 8 hours and 20 minutes of screen on time, with almost about 355 hours of screen off time, which is pretty amazing in my opinion. And then there is 7.8% per hour of screen on battery drain and 0.9% per hour of screen of battery drain. So the battery backup and the idle drain are pretty amazing. As you can see, the minimum discharge rate in this custom ROM is only 3 milliamps, which is pretty good in my opinion. So the device when in deep sleep is only consuming 3 milliamps per hour. So yeah, it is pretty great. Now talking about the customizations in this ROM, the customization come in this Cherish setting tab, and these are the usual customizations that you get with every Cherish OS. So yeah, status bar customization, quick settings, themes, buttons, animation, lock screen, power menu, notification, and miscellaneous. So yeah, everything is there. I think there is a lack of customizations in miscellaneous tab, like there is no high refresh rate gaming, and all these customizations are pretty similar to Cherish OS Android 13. So yeah, I won't really dive deep into the customization aspect. It is pretty similar, not pretty similar, it is mostly the same that you get in Android 13. Like themes and stuff, these are pretty much similar, icon shape and all that stuff. You also see them in Android 13. I think this scroll is a new one, I haven't seen this before. So yeah, let's see how this looks. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's not my type, but if you want, or if you are following a certain theme, then you can definitely try it. But yeah, I don't really like it, so I will choose this or this. So yeah, rest of the stuff is pretty much the same, like there are no animation options. Actually, in future updates, like there might be some other options, but yeah, as of now, these are not up to the mark with the Cherish OS. Now talking about the camera application, you obviously get this MIUI camera, which is pretty great in my opinion. Like you get all the features that you get in the MIUI camera application, like pro mode, then documents, video, photo, and all that stuff. You also get portrait mode, and you also get 108 megapixel, so which works pretty fine. And for the audio, you get this Viper for Android, and obviously you can't really update it if you don't have root. I think you have to either manually go flash it in recovery or stuff. So yeah, I did try it. I don't really have root in this ROM. So yeah, but it does work. I have tried it and it does work, but you can't really update it. So yeah, it will get updated with the ROM update, I think. Then you can tweak with all this stuff, and you can personalize your audio experience. Then there is this another amazing application that comes preloaded with this ROM, that is this VMusic. Now I've been using this application extensively even on my main device, that is Galaxy A52s. Now it is a pretty great application in my opinion. You can find it on GitHub. You don't really need root or custom ROM to use it. You can pretty much use it on any device. So what this does is it picks the music from the YouTube library, and then it plays for you without any ads, and obviously you can play it in the background with screen off, just like any music player application. So yeah, if you want an extensive review on this application, then drop a comment. Even if I get one comment that I want an extensive review of this application, then I'll definitely bring it for you guys. Oh yeah, this is by the way 100% free application. Like, you don't have to pay anything. There is no subscription like Spotify, YouTube Premium. Nothing is needed, just download and use. Now talking about the performance in this ROM, I ran the Antutu benchmark and it scored about 3,66,000, which is pretty decent in my opinion. Like, the highest that I have seen was 4,20,000. I think that was with the Pixel Experience Android 14. So yeah, it's nowhere near it, but it is a pretty respectable score. So yeah, there's that. And talking about the photo storage, so yeah, as you can see, this device can store unlimited photos and videos at no charge. So yeah, that's great. And as you can see, the safety net does pass in this ROM. Like, you can see here, basic integrity test and CTS profile match, they both pass with flying colors. Even the response signature verification, this is very important for like banking applications. So yeah, they all three of these pass with flying colors. So yeah, there's that. And the banking app should work perfectly fine in this ROM. But as you can see, the Play Protect certification is not there. So it does say that device is not certified, but I think banking app should work just fine, because even in the MIUI there is this situation where if you unlock the bootloader, then it always says that device is not certified, but the banking apps and all that stuff works perfectly fine. I have had no issues with banking apps, even if the device was not certified after unlocking the MIUI bootloader. So yeah, you can be rest assured that all the application that check the CTS profile and all that stuff should work perfectly fine. So in the end, I'll say it is a pretty great ROM. Like, Android, for Android 14 you also get these some of the Android 14 features. Like, you can see here, you get this Android 14 clocks, which you don't really see in Android 13. So yeah, you also get these AI wallpapers, I think. Yeah, as you can see here, AI wallpapers are available, and emoji workshop is also available, where you can use your emojis as your wallpaper. So yeah, it is pretty cool in my opinion. And on that note, it is a green flag from me, by the way. You can definitely try this ROM is definitely worth being your daily driver. And on that note, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. By the way, happy new year. And I hope I complete 100 subscribers in January. I know I haven't been uploading recently. I upload once every 15 days or something. So yeah, I will try to reduce it down to just 1 week or 3 days or something like that. And I really want to complete 100 subscribers in this January 2024. I hope I give you great content in 2024, and you give me response for that content. It's good or not good, what can be improved, and all that stuff. And on that note, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.